Sit back, relax, grab a drink, and enjoy today's video. First of all, I just want to say thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. Poshmark is the easiest way to sell your clothes online. Clean out your closet just like what I'm going to do today. My closet is a hot mess, which you'll see in a moment. You can download Poshmark for yourself using the link in my description box below. So a little bit about Poshmark. It's not just for selling. You can actually buy things there as well. You can get things like Torrid or Coach, Michael Kors for up to 70% off, which is amazing. I got some really cute Disney pins there. So cute. I got this unique rock and roller coaster, the peace sign, the hotel, Tower of Terror key, and we got a couple other cute ones too, a little Minnie Mouse one down here. So you can find some fun things and unique things for yourself as well. You guys can share your Poshmark closets below so we can all kind of check each other's closets out and maybe find a new gem for yourself. Using the link, you'll also be able to shop my closet. Once you download Poshmark, you can easily check out your closet here. Mine is Justine K88. You can see how you can view your closet right here. Super, super easy. Now I'm going to show you how to list something. You're going to go down to the sell button, take a picture of your item, and then you can add a filter if you want. Add an extra photo just for more detail. Then you'll want to add a title, just something short to explain what the item is. Once you actually have that, you can do a little description to describe what it is. This is where you can say if there's any kind of like fading or peeling, anything like that. And then you're going to put in the category information, the sizing information, which is really easy to find. You can just go under plus, and then you can add in the brand, which is important because it'll help people find you items easier. Add the color of your item or colors, and then go ahead and put how much you want and hit list, and there you go. Boom. To shop, you just hit the shop tab, scroll through. I love Torrid, so of course I'm looking to see what people are selling on Torrid. And look at this cute top. I loved it. You can add it to a bundle, you could buy it, or you can make an offer. Now that you know how Poshmark works, let's get down to business and see about organizing this closet and finding some things to sell. Here is the before. I have shoes and clothes out in my living room as well. This is just a huge mess, as you can see, and I'm ready to donate and sell some things. I just saw the overview, and let me show you all the stuff that's on my bed even here. Like, hello? Don't know how much we're gonna accomplish, but we are going to tackle this beast. Instead of spring cleaning, I guess we're gonna be doing a little fall clean. I got my sports bra on and everything because it is going down. Wait, that's supposed to snap. Oh geez, how do I get it to snap? There we go. It's going down. So obviously I'm keeping this sparks lots of joy. I want to find a way to organize my belts better. I've seen like some people do those little like organizers for your jewelry, but I honestly don't have that many belts. So for now I'm just gonna set it over here, figure out a home for it later. Shoes is one thing that I think is going to be hard to tackle too, plus my husband's hats. And this one definitely sparks joy. You guys, I really want to do a big clean out. This top, actually, I think we are going to go ahead and add that to the donation pile. So I'm just going to start down here and we're just going to work our way. Okay, this one I haven't even worn yet. It still has the tags on it, but I know, just looking at me like, I know I will wear this come springtime. And even now, like I just gotta wear it. I've already worn this. I really love it. You know what? I think I am gonna part with this one. This one we are gonna go ahead and donate, actually. So we fold this, please, puppy. I don't know why I called you puppy. This right here we're gonna put for sale. This is really nice. I literally have only worn it once though, so it just, you know, it's gotta go then, right? I'm wearing it enough that it doesn't justify me keeping it. So this one I need to wear more. I've been really loving blue lately, so I am going to hold on to this one, I think, a little bit longer. And if I don't wear it by the next time I do a closet clean out, then it's going to go. This one, oh my gosh, this is going to break my heart to do it, but I think I might sell it. Brand new with tags, never wore it. I thought it was going to fit me. It was a 2X. It definitely is a 2X. And I bought it a little while ago, and it doesn't fit me. I'm not gonna hold on to things that don't fit me anymore, because that just brings negativity. It makes you like feel bad about yourself or something, like you're doing something wrong, like, oh, I should be fitting into this. So I don't need that negativity in my life. It's a beautiful, beautiful hoodie with Dutch Mafia. I mean, honestly, it kind of pains me to see it go, but I know someone else will find a lot more use because I'll actually be able to wear it. Ooh, this leather jacket, see, it's not even supposed to go here. This is not the jacket section. This is the plaid section. My plaid section is so much smaller than it used to be, you guys, though. So skirts, yes, I'm keeping that skirt. I like to fold my skirts up here like that. I just think they're easier to find. Is a black denim skirt, and I think I'm actually going to sell this one because I do have another one that I like from Torrid, and this one I like as well, but I literally haven't worn it. Bought it like 2 summers ago and I haven't even worn it. So there's that. That's gonna be kept. Ooh, I think I'm gonna, should I do like this one. Maybe I should. Black just like skater skirt, which I love. I've gotten a lot of use out of it, but I just think it's time to say goodbye. Because I have one very similar to that, and that's like a new big rule for me, is I'm trying to keep things that are unlike something else I already have. So if I have something similar, that's why I'm getting rid of that black denim skirt, because I literally have another one. It's my plan. We like it. Okay, let's see what else we could do here. I think I'm gonna sell this. I love this top, but I haven't worn it. I keep looking at it every closet clean out and I keep keeping it, but I also keep not wearing it, so I need to just part with it finally. Let's see. Ooh, this one from Torrid. I love it so much. I just I think I might have to hang on to that, actually. I'm trying to think about it, but oh my gosh, yes, that's staying. Absolutely staying. Oh, this is gonna be a donation item. This black, or it's not black, colors, hello, what are they? This greenish top, it's really nice. I got it from Nordstrom's Rack, but I've used it a lot. Same with this. It's just a plain gray t-shirt, but like I have so many t-shirts. Oh yes, this top is super fun. I don't know where to classify this one though. It's one of those tops that's like shorter in the front, longer in the back. I really like it. It's definitely a moment. I have worn it a handful of times, but I just need to, all of my stuff needs to be organized. Right now I'm literally just going through it and getting rid of stuff, and then we'll organize later. Now every time I think I want to sell this, I can't sell it. I can't bring myself to sell that one. I just can't do it. And this one was hung inside out. Definitely not getting rid of this. This is like probably my favorite t-shirt. Like if I could only keep one graphic tee, this is probably the one I would keep. Oh, I need to wear this one more. If I don't wear it by next closet clean out, I think I will donate it or sell it, but it's staying for now. Yeah, I'm keeping this one. I literally have only worn it once, but it's way too fun, and you know they're gonna make a Deadpool 3, you just know it. So I already have my outfit. I'm ready. You could have had a oh, I need to wear this, you guys. This is horrible. Yes. See, all these things I forgot about because my closet is full of stuff. I need to put like, see, this is a nice tank and I forget to reach for it because I have all like my layering tanks. I need to put like my layering tanks and my like dressy camis in 2 different spots because I literally forget about them then. Because I'm like, oh yeah. Oh, this one I wear a decent amount actually. And this is just a great Ross find from like, gosh, probably 5 years ago. But I just love all the colors in it. It's so cute. Those of you who've been shopping at Torrid for a while already know just how long I've had this one. Let me show you guys. Look at that label. That is like the OG label right there. It's been a while. We've been through some things. We've been through it together. Oh, this hanger broke. Let me get rid of this one then. This anorak jacket I am gonna go ahead and sell too. We've had our time together. Our time is over now, I feel. Farewell, adieu to you, my friend. Ooh, this cardigan actually, I am gonna put this one for sale. This one Oh my gosh, this one brings memories. This is the first haul that I ever did. I got this blazer from the first YouTube video haul. Does anyone remember that video? Aw, I like it. I haven't worn it in a while, but I will wear it eventually. This isn't even mine. This is Bree's. I guess I'll put it over here for now because I don't want it to get mixed into any of my other piles. We love this. Oh, should I sell you? Because I do have another cheetah print cardigan. This one's only been worn once. This one's had a lot of love. A lot of love. But I'm almost thinking that this one, while it's still so new, could get a new home. I might regret that decision later. I can't do it. I can't part with that one. I have two camo jackets, but they are different. One has the sweater sleeve and one has just the camo sleeve. And I'm already gonna be selling the green anorak one, so I feel like it's justified. But these are kind of similar enough, aren't they? We just have a leather and we have a suede. The leather one's only been worn once, so I think I might sell this one actually. Yeah. As much as I do love it, but like I said, I'm trying to not, I mean, I literally have, I know it's not quite the same shade or material, but it's super close. Oh, that might be one that never actually makes it to Poshmark. We shall see if it makes it. I have to get rid of at least one denim thing. I have so much denim. Like you guys know, popping on a jean jacket is like my favorite thing to do. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, I think I have like 5 or 7. They are all pretty different though. Like this one is like acid wash. I have one that's super destructed and cropped. I have this longer one with the sweater sleeves. I have a longer dark one with no destruction, no nothing. And then I have that one with all the sayings and the buttons on it that I showed you earlier. So they're all like at least pretty different. And you guys know I love to pop a jean jacket on anything, so I feel like I need a little variety of that. Here's me justifying all of the stuff I want to keep. Ooh, I do love you, but should you go to a new home? Does someone else want to love you now? Ooh, this would be a cute outfit if someone actually could snag these two. Look at that. Ooh, that is a cute little outfit. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna let someone else enjoy this dress now. Au revoir. Does anyone else have that problem where they're like looking at it and they're like, Ooh, cotton candy dream dress. I know I won't wear it again until summer, but it's gonna stay. This one, I think I'm gonna sell this one too. You guys, I'm really trying to clear out. This is gonna be good. It's a little painful at times, but honestly, I feel like doing it, filming, as weird as that sounds, because I know you guys aren't actually watching real time, but I know when you guys watch this when I upload it, I know you guys will be silently like, hey, you should probably get rid of more. So I feel like I'm just like being extra good about selling stuff. So, ooh, the sunflower dress. That dress was really fun, actually. Do I want to sell this sunflower dress? Am I already regretting the sunflower? I am kind of regretting the sunflower. Come back to me. Come back to me. Yeah, I think I might keep you a little longer. You guys, I have issues. It's fine. We're fine with it. I'm going to sell. This one is a nice long one, asymmetrical hem from Kohl's that I got. Oh yeah, this neon one is really fun. I think I'm going to sell that one too. Whew. Okay, so that is everything that's actually in my rack. So I'm gonna go through some stuff on my bed now, and I am going to do some more dwindling down. I'll probably put some music over the rest of the organization. closet is organized, or as organized as it's going to be. There's still a few purses and stuff that are going to have to be organized in a footstool we have in our main bedroom. But I just want to show you guys the closet because it looks a million times better. Roll the montage. So I hope you guys enjoyed this closet cleanup. I am so tired. I have more things to list, so I'm gonna get to it. I hope you guys have fun organizing and maybe selling some things on your own Poshmark closets. Again, you can click the link in the description box and you can use my link to download the app today. Thank you, Poshmark, again for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. I appreciate it so much. And remember to just be you. Bye, guys.